Does your home feel boring and you really want to spruce it up, but you're not sure where to even start? I've talked to a lot of people who are new to DIY, and I know that it can be intimidating. You might not feel like you have enough skills, you don't have the right tools to really make an impact in your home. You might be worried that projects are too expensive or too complicated. Well, today I'm going to show you that with just a few simple projects, you can totally transform your space without breaking the bank or without biting off more than you can chew. So I like to picture a Venn diagram with 3 circles. One is high impact. You want a project that makes a noticeable difference right away. The second circle is inexpensive, cheap, because nobody wants to spend a fortune, especially when they're first starting out with DIY. And the third Venn diagram circle is easy. You don't need to be a pro, you don't need a ton of fancy tools, you can get started right away. Where these 3 circles overlap, that is the sweet spot. That is the best beginner DIY projects, and that's where they live. I want to share 5 projects that almost everybody can tackle right away. So the first one is wallpaper. And I'm talking like peel and stick wallpaper, traditional wallpaper, but this stuff is incredible. You can get it at Amazon, you can get it at Home Depot, Target, Lowe's, and all you really need is a utility knife and a level, and you're ready to go. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try the regular wallpaper, the fabric stuff with an adhesive back that you put on with a painter's roll. But either way, I promise you nothing transforms a space faster than wallpaper. It's easy, it's inexpensive, the impact is immediate, and it's huge. Okay, the next is tile backsplash. This one can sound scary at first for people, but I promise you it's really not. You may need to rent a wet saw from Home Depot for like under $100 for a few hours, but it is so easy to use, and I promise that it makes a huge difference. A kitchen that doesn't have backsplash is kind of sad to me. It looks like a builder's grade kitchen, and a backsplash will instantly elevate your space. It'll make your home feel customized instead of builder basic, and it's not nearly as hard as you think it might be. Okay, so another easy win is changing out your light fixtures. Most of us have these builder grade boob lights that just don't add anything to a room or a space or a home. But you can find super attractive options at your hardware store or online on Amazon for under $100. Swapping them out is really easy. It's just you turn off the power, you remove a few screws, you take down the old fixture, you connect a couple of wires, install the new one, put in some new screws. Once you've done it once, you can do it over and over again. It sounds maybe intimidating, it's not, I promise. It's super duper easy. And the difference that it makes is massive. Another project with a big payoff is swapping out your cabinet hardware. So old knobs and cabinet drawer pulls can make a kitchen or bathroom look really dated, but replacing them with modern, stylish hardware can instantly elevate your entire space. And all you need is a screwdriver, and in just a few minutes, your cabinets can look brand new. I mean, they can look modern, and this is one of the fastest projects that you could do in an afternoon, and it makes a huge upgrade and a huge impact. Okay, finally, I would say accent walls. Whether it's shiplap, it's wood paneling, it's trim pieces, it's board and batten, it's shelves, it's paint, it's wallpaper. Your entire wall can change in an afternoon. You can add texture and depth with board and batten or trim. It's one of those projects that makes people go, whoa, when did you renovate? When did your space change? It's easy and fast. So there you have it. There's 5 projects that sit right in the middle of our Venn diagram of high impact, inexpensive, and easy. Wallpaper, backsplash, new light fixtures, cabinet hardware, and accent walls. If you've been hesitating because you thought that DIY was too hard or too expensive, start with one of these 5 projects. Not only will you transform your space, but you'll also build your confidence for bigger projects down the line that will really test your skills and teach you a lot. Remember, you've got this. These projects are easier than you think. Once you see the results, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. If this has been helpful at all, I would love for you to like and subscribe. Comment, is there a project that is at the middle of this Venn diagram that I didn't mention? Please tell me what are your best, easiest, and high impact projects. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next project.